My name is Sarah Storr. I'm Rio's instruction librarian. I want to show you how to use the Rio Library's OneSearch tool. OneSearch is a research tool that lets you search most of the library's databases simultaneously. So if your instructor has asked you to locate an article on a topic, or an electronic book, or a newspaper, OneSearch can be a great place to start. You'll find OneSearch right in the middle of the library homepage. To get started, enter your search terms, remembering to keep it simple rather than typing questions or tons of words into the search box. I've searched for fiscal policy in United States, and these are my search results. Before you do anything, take a look at the options on the left side of your results screen. These can help you focus your search even more. I always click on the fully available online option, but if we scroll down a bit more, there are a ton of other tools to help you refine your results. For instance, are you being asked to find scholarly peer-reviewed articles? Click Scholarly Peer Review here. Or maybe you need a newspaper or an ebook. Select those from the available options. If we scroll down a bit further, there's also a tool that you can use to narrow your search by date. So if you only want articles that are published in the past 2 years, for instance, you can make that happen here. When you see a title that looks interesting, click on it to be taken to the full text. And don't forget that many of our databases include tools you can use to help you grab the APA or MLA citation for information you're using. If you find an article you want to come back to later, don't just copy and paste the URL from the top of your browser. That won't work. Instead, look for a link that says permalink or bookmark and grab the URL from there. You can also use the email or save options to grab a copy. If you have any questions about using OneSearch, our Ask a Librarian chat reference service is available 24/7 to help. You can access Ask from OneSearch, Rio Learn, or the library homepage. We're happy to help.